I wasn't sure whether or not you'd be interested in something like this because it's not tech, but you do use these sort of things on tech. So I thought, shall I or shan't I? And I decided I'm going to give it a go. Let me know in the comments whether it's something you are interested in or not. On this channel, that is, of course. So anyway, this is from a company called VCELINK. I think that's how you pronounce it, I don't know. And in this video, we are going to do an unboxing, see exactly what you get for your money, but also we are going to be testing it. And the way I'm going to be testing it is, I've got another video coming out of a computer case, and we're going to be testing it out on that computer case, see how easy it is to take the computer case apart, see how easy it is to build an actual computer inside that computer case using this. I thought that would be a really good idea. Let me know in the comments whether you think that's a good idea or not. So with that, let's get one done, shall we? This costs, and I'm looking online at the moment, it's around about $15. So I don't know how much that is in English pounds. I think that's probably about £12, something like that. But that is it. And it's got, is that shrink wrap around there? That is shrink wrap around there. And I'm going to need the knife to get the shrink wrap off, I think. Oh, hang on. I might be able to do it. Let's have a go. Yes, we're there. What's that say? Open. Well, I'll work that one out. And oh, it's spring loaded. Oh, do it again. Yeah, spring loaded. Nice bit of bubble wrap there. So this is it. So it comes with a screwdriver holder thing. It comes with a pair of tweezers as well. Just noticed that. Get that off. Yes, ideal for picking things up. Like that. Yeah, very good. It comes with an extension, in case you need to make it longer. And it's magnetic as well. Look, listen. Just turns. Can't put nothing in there as far as I know. And that is it. Yeah, nice little set. Very well designed. I'm not sure what that does. It doesn't do anything. It's just a spring. So they move. See that? And that is it. So that is the unboxing done. Now we need to do a little bit of testing, don't we, to see how good they are. And they, at the moment, they look fine, as you would expect anyway. So it's been a few days since I've been playing with this set, and one thing I didn't mention, there's 45 pieces here. That's 45 in total pieces. That includes the actual handle itself. And the only thing I haven't really used is this. Not needed it. Because the reason I don't need it is because if I drop anything, like a screw, it's magnetic. So it picks it up again. And I did drop a couple of screws a couple of times. Nothing to do with this, it's just the fact I was trying to get the screw in to start with, and you know what it's like, and you knock it or something like that. It can be annoying sometimes. But with this little tool, including this bit, is also magnetic. Yeah, so they don't fall out. I was able to pick the screws back up again, which is very handy. They also claim it doesn't rust, which I thought, well, I thought it wouldn't anyway, so that is good. And also, well, I keep saying that word, don't I? Also, all the bits in here are designed to be the ones that get used the most. Although there is a couple in there, and I think I've never seen one of them before, like this one here. See that? I've never used one of them, but that'd be ideal for getting something out, I would imagine. Let us know in the comments what it's for, because I don't know. But the one I used the most was the Phillips bit, that bit there, that big one, and also I used that one quite a bit as well, the next size down, but mainly that one. I know it's a big one, but these are designed for little screws, things like that, and watches, stuff like that. Probably what you need that one for. Yeah, very good. Very easy to get on with. I like the case as well. I like the fact that when you go like that, they fold. And I think, oh, that's quite clever. Quite like that. That one's come out, that one's come out. Me playing about a bit. Yeah. Yeah, quite like that. It's very good. It definitely gets my thumbs up. As always, I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check them out. And at the time of making this video, they're quite cheap. I think it's about $15. Something silly like that. Yeah, not expensive at all. Nice case. Yeah, there you go. I didn't even look on the back, did I? Yeah, look at that. 45 pieces, precision screwdriver set. And it shows you all the different sizes and T numbers on the back. I didn't even look at the back. And, there's always an and, isn't there? It's got a little hook to hang them up. Didn't even look at that neither. So yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up. I am going to be keeping this for myself. Yes, I know I'm being a bit selfish, but I like it. And it's got everything in there that I need at some point, hopefully. Quite enjoyed building the PC. Check out the video. That will be out probably within the week of this coming out, or after this has come out. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. Click on the bell to get notified, and you will see that video as well when it goes live. So with that, thank you very much for watching.